Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
The civilization of Ad. The people of Ad lived in the northern part of Hadramaut. They lived in the lofty buildings, were skilled in various trades, and were blessed with springs, fields, and gardens. And it was to them that Allah Azza wa Jal sent Prophet Hud alayhi salam. Allah Azza wa Jal said in the Holy Quran, Ad, the people of Ad, denied the messengers when their brother Hud said to them, Will you not fear Allah and obey Him? Verily, I am a trustworthy messenger of Allah to you. So fear Allah, keep your duty to Him, and obey me. No reward do I ask of you for it. My message of Islamic monotheism. My reward is only from the Lord of the Alameen. Alameen means mankind, jinn, and all the existence. Do you build high places on every high place while you do not live in them? And do you get for yourselves places, fine buildings, as if you will live therein forever? And when you seize you as tyrants. So fear Allah, keep your duty to Him, and obey me, and keep your duty to Him. Fear Him who had aided you with all good things that you know. He has aided you with cattle and children and gardens and springs. Civilization of Thamud. The Holy Quran referred to the people of Thamud who lived in the lands of Al-Hijr and were endowed with the ability to carve houses for themselves high up on mountains. Like the people of Ad, the people of Thamud were blessed with many springs, fields, copious gardens, as Allah Azza wa Jal said in the Holy Quran. Thamud, the people of Thamud, denied the messengers when their brother Salih alayhi salam said to them, Will you not fear Allah and obey Him? I am a trustworthy messenger to you. So fear Allah, keep your duty to Him, and obey me. No reward do I ask of you for it. My message of Islamic monotheism. My reward is only from the Lord of the Al-Alameen. Alameen means mankind, jinns, and all the existence. Will you be left secure in that which you have here? In gardens and springs and green crops and date palms with soft spadix, and you carve houses out of mountains with great skill. So fear Allah, keep your duty to Him, and obey me. And He said in another verse, And remember when He made you successors after Ad, after the people of Ad, and gave you habitation in the land. You built for yourselves palaces in plains and carved out homes in the mountains. So remember the graces bestowed upon you from Allah, and do not go about making mischief on the earth. The people of Ad and Thamud were destroyed long ago only mounds and rubble and vestiges of their structures remain. Their trees dwindled away and their springs dried up. That were once beautiful gardens and fields exist no more. All that remains now is barren land.